Straight towards Pikes Peak there, looking a little hazy at this stage. Chief Meteorologist Mary Matthews joins us now, and it's been so hot. Everybody's looking for a way to cool off. So I have a question for you, friend. What is your cold dessert of choice? I want you to think about this. Snow cone, Slurpee, ice cream cone, or none of the above? Ice cream. Didn't even have to think about it.
Is ice cream. I know. I love food. You know this about me. I don't turn down cookies, ice cream. If it's there, I eat it. We don't even throw it away. We eat it to get rid of it. You know people like that? That's me. Yeah, no, it's definitely ice cream. In fact, I had so many ice cream cones in the freezer when I first started working remote, and that was a terrible idea because my freezer's right there, you know. Let's just say we had some hard times getting in our pants the last few days. So I think that's everybody. Can we just be honest? That's everybody right now, right? Warm temperatures across the state of Colorado. 22 degrees above average is a little much this time of year, don't you think? Even if you love 86 degrees. If you do, we can never be friends, I have to tell you. Not a lover of very hot temperatures. Put me right at 70, 75, and we're perfect. There is a cold front coming through that is going to bring those temperatures to the region, but not until tomorrow afternoon. Right now, it's stalled just to the north of I-70 across northern Colorado. It is sparking some storms out there that's producing a little bit of lightning. This is how much it's going to cool us down for tomorrow, with temperature highs in the 60s and 70s for the Pikes Peak region. That's much better for this time of year. 65, 66 is seasonal for Colorado Springs for early May. We topped out about 86 degrees today in Colorado Springs, so low 70s is going to be a nice change tomorrow. 70s and 80s across the eastern plains for Saturday afternoon as well. At the moisture and the energy really comes together and comes to fruition. A few stronger storms across the region, mainly across El Paso County, parts of the eastern plains. It's a marginal risk, which means wind and hail will be the primary concern. Probably not large hail, but moderate to smaller hail. Certainly not out of the realm of possibility. Some of the forecast models are really putting most of the storms popping east of El Paso County. I'm not so much buying that just yet. What I would tell you is if you're joining us across Colorado Springs, anywhere in El Paso County to Teller County, even areas east of Pueblo and across the Highway 50 area, you want to stay particularly weather aware tomorrow for a few isolated stronger storms. I think most of the Highway 50 area could see these storms well into the evening time frame. So we'll be watching for a few of those stronger storms for tomorrow afternoon. Again, most of the day part's going to stay dry, and notice the key word I said was isolated. So do not expect widespread severe weather tomorrow. That's not going to be the case. It's just going to be a few robust storms out there, and the ones that do hold together could pack a punch in terms of winds and some hail. Here we go through Sunday morning, waking up with possibility of little fog, some cloudy conditions. Sunshine breaks through into the afternoon hours, and we do return to those drier conditions as well. Sunday does look a lot calmer for us. Saturday's not going to be terrible. If you're going to be out hiking, you got some storms building over the mountains, be mindful of lightning. Even if storms don't become severe, they can still send down some lightning strikes. So if you're summiting any mountains tomorrow, anything of that nature, you want to be back below tree line, especially before 11 o'clock in the morning, just to be safe. It is that time of year in Colorado. Temperatures in the 70s and 80s for highs on Sunday. Mostly dry weekend. Again, I'm not saying it's going to be a washout, but the chances for storms will be there. 10 to 20% chance. That denotes coverage area. So, if it was 50 to 60, you're talking some widespread storms in the area, but this is going to be kind of a low-end chance. But if you have outdoor plans, you plan on mowing the grass tomorrow. People mowing the grass this time of year? I don't know. I'm in an apartment. May want to do that first half of the day, especially if you're joining us north of Colorado Springs into parts of Glen Eagle, Highway 24 areas. Temperatures are steady in the 80s for the next couple of days, and then we drop back into the 70s, a little closer to seasonal as we move through early next week. That'll be a nice change. My AC won't be working quite as hard as it is right now because I'm a wimp, and I don't like really, really hot temperatures. Hope I'm not alone. Otherwise, have a great weekend, and certainly find a way to stay cool. Maybe not ice cream cones. I don't know. Maybe we're all eating ice cream cones right now.
We all are. It's fine. You know, I like to call this the pound-demic, really, because things are fitting fitting a little tighter than they did, like, a month and a half ago. I'm just saying. We're all there with you, Mary.
Amen.
Okay. All right, now for a preview of what's next on World News Tonight.